racing chance is started. We have take it or leave it, break quickly to start, rushing about the outside is etc. to take the lead. Hukbong Dagat comes next, Raining Jewel, Fort Angeles, Dandino. The next on Ladies Prize Dancer, Gates of Maria, getting the wide strip as they make their first turn. Garnet Burbank comes next, then followed by Money King, while the Human Torch is the early trailer by about 20 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, we have etc. Says why we follow deep, we can take the lead. In the early part of the race, enjoying a 5 lengths lead, and in second remains Hukbong Dagat. Raining Jewel comes next, Take It or Leave It. Dandino comes next, moving up down on the inside now is Garnet alongside Prize Dancer, Port Angeles, Gates of Money, Burbank, the Human Torch, while Money King now racing in less. And Diana entering the home stretch here, etc. is still in control, leads by about 4 lengths. Hukbong Dagat remains in second, Raining Jewel as they swing Porum, etc. Now by about 6 lengths over Hukbong Dagat. Raining Jewel comes next, last 50 meters from gate to wire, it's all etc. Hukbong Dagat, then comes number 8, Raining Jewels, Garnet, then followed by Burbank, and number 1, the Human Torch.
Alright, 2A, etc. Hindi na pinahirapan ni O'Neil P. Cortez. Inuna na itong si etc. at malayong pagkakapanalo. Masisegunda yung numero G, Hukbong Dagat.